Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin at the vent site with essential gear already on. This saves time and reduces risk. First, check your oxygen and temperature resistance. If either is low, you will lose a catch and valuable bait. Once done, approach from down current to avoid scaring fish into crevices. Use the ranged capture tool to observe behavior first. This tells you when they feed. Make sure to keep your light low and move slow. Sudden motion will scatter them and waste the initial bait. Now you refine your approach by syncing bait with capture timing. Short pulses of attractant provoke strikes without alarming the group. You must aim slightly ahead of a moving fish. Lead by about 0.5 to 1 meter so the net meets it mid-trajectory. Once a fish commits, fire quickly, then reel or net it before it reaches rugged rock. Keep neutral buoyancy so you can make fine position changes. This stabilizes your shot and prevents accidental collisions that can ruin a catch. Finally, secure each specimen in a dedicated, cooled container with oxygen to reduce stress. This preserves health for transport. Once contained, follow your pre-marked route back to base to avoid predators and unstable vent plumes. Monitor life support and container integrity. If you notice stress signs, slow down and stabilize temperature and oxygen levels immediately. If a fish escapes or tanks show agitation, stop, reduce light and bait intensity, and reassess placement. Making those adjustments prevents repeat losses and improves your next attempts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.